It's a run, over, out, rock, step, ball, slide, double basic. Crossover rock, ball, slide, double basic. The lead one will not be the slider. So it's the other side. Start with the left. Rock, ball, double step, double over, double out, rock, step, ball, slide, double basic. It's a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. You're there. Here it's coming. It's a weird action, but used a lot. There you go. We should try it this way. So give me a right foot, crossover rock, ball slide, double basic, crossover rock, ball slide, double basic. Now this is a crossover, rock, ball slide, double basic. High horse, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, on your own. Triple, and you know why? High horse. Nice. That was really good. And that's the last hard thing in here. But we're going to just teach this step by step right now. This is Grandfather's Clock's one of our favorite songs she loves to hate. It's fall. Okay. Now you notice it's got a 12-beat start. You're going to go tick tock until 8 beats, and then 4 more to start a rocking chair box. Now I'm wondering, should I take this one out for a moment? I'm going to just set that one to the side for a moment. That's you, Bev.
Okay,
Sorry.
okay.
Just so you know, it's not going to happen when you come up. I'm going to fix it. I get so nervous because I hate going on you. Oh.
Must be that chord of mine. I don't know.
Rocking chair, quarter left. Take a box. 2 more. Stomp double, left and right. Fancy double. Brushes. Fine stamp, you did 2. That one got you, didn't it? Okay, I'm going to slow it down some more because right after our vine stamps is a high horse. So let's practice that. Vine stamp, left and right, high horse. Vine stamp, go. Stamp, click. High horse, crossover rock, ball slide. Vine stamp, stamp, click. High horse. And then you get a reprieve because it goes, and you're going to go step, pause, step, pause. Fancy double. Clear basic. Clear basic. Side touch, 2, 2. And then 2 slow heels. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Step, pause, step, pause. Step, pause, step, pause. Rocking chair. And there's that high horse. Ball slide. Okay, so we'll 1, 2, rocking chair box. I slowed it down. Stomp double. One more. Patsy double. Too slow.
Yeah, they're getting off.
Yeah, it's not working. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Rocking chair. Quarter left. 1 and 2 and 3. And make a box. There's better. 2 strong doubles. 1 fancy double. Precious. 5 stamp left and right. 5 horse. Step, pause, step. Fancy double. Clear basic. Left and right. Side touches. Close toe heel. Side touches. Close toe heel. Step, pause, step. Rocking chair. 5 horse. How do you like it?
Dude.
I like the way Beth puts stuff together. It just makes me happy. Now we're going to learn a new box. It's a loop basic, which is double step, loop, step, basic. But that leaves you with a right foot, heel, step, triple. Heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, rock, turn. That'd be our whole box. Loop basic. It's a run loop. Basic. 3 heel steps. 1, 2. Now rock step and turn. You looked at me like, are you sure? So the left foot, loop basic, and the right foot is going to be your heel step triple with a turn. Left foot, loop basic, go. So it's the run loop step with a basic heel step triple. Right, left, now rock and turn. Stop. Everybody step with the left foot.
Okay, heel, 3 heels, and then a basic, and you
But-
run the basic.
Yeah, but you did 2. That's what threw you. So it's a right foot, heel, step, heel, step, rock, step. So let me do 3. We're going to do 3, we're going to do a box with just this part. Heel, step, triple, turning a quarter left each time. Heel, step, rock, turn. Oh, gotta throw something in there. Yeah. I gotta put the whole thing together. Yeah. So give me your loop basic. Heel, step, triple, quarter, left. 2, 3, rock, stop. Now we set. Loop basic. Heel, step, triple with a turn on the rock, step. Loop it. Basic. Heel, step, turn, triple. 1, 2, 3, rock, step. Heel step and turn it. Heel step, triple. Yeah, I think you're 80% there. So I think with the music it'll work. Then we do this is your rough spot. Bind, stamp, up, left and right, and a high horse. Bind, stamp, up. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 again. And a 1, 2, 3, stamp. 1, 2, 3. High horse. Bind, stamp up, left and right. High horse.
count or something, I don't know.
You need coffee. That's my answer to everything. So give me a run. And a run. And a run. Stamp up. Boom, pop. That's the rhythm. Left and right. It's the 1, it's the 2, it's the 3, yaha. It's the 1, it's the 2, it's the 3, yaha. And the 1, 2, 3, and the 1, a 2, a 3, woo. So you can go on that stand click. You can get country on that.
Talking my language.
Yeah.
Going to put off.
We could do it though. I did go there, didn't I? Don't you know?
I followed you completely happy.
Now she got my language. Okay, we're gonna go.
You guys talking?
We're
North Dakota language.
North Dakota, we gotta go through the Midwest. I don't know. I skip my speech in that.
I gotta get back there at the end of the month for a wedding, and right now they're August 42. Wow.
I want to go back. We used to go every year. I want to go this year. I want to go. Maybe I want to go before the blizzards.
Yeah, you go next spring.
Yeah, I'm thinking April, May.
May is perfect.
May is perfect. That's good to know because I'm going to get my daughter to go with me this time.
Mosquitoes aren't out, and it's not snowing or raining.
Yeah, because it'll be Williston. So,
Okay, I know.
yeah.
No, May is good.
A good place to visit.
It's about the only month out of the whole year that's good.
Okay, well, I will do that.
Not kidding.
Fine, stamp up, left and right, left foot, go. Whoop, stop. Oh, high horse. Yeah, we can call it the vine stamp, we'll call it the vine oofta. Okay? Okay. Vine stamp, left and right, and a high horse go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, whoop, stop. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, stamp up, high horse.
Okay, we are changing our footwork on that vine stamping. We're not going left and right.
Okay. We're not going left and right? I mean, we're staying in one spot?
With the footwork, the footwork is wrong.
Going both ways. Is that what you mean?
Yeah,
Our
well,
footwork, we have the same
Jan
lead. That would
is
be
not
our
committing
top
on, she's trying to do the second vine with the left foot lead.
Okay, it's the arrow
I'm
thing.
missing.
It's the stamp up. So I want stamp, click, stamp, click, stamp, click, stamp, click. So when we're in the air, what's our next lead foot? Our air foot?
It's in the air.
Yeah, this one. Now do it on the right. Stamp up, stamp, click. And this is our lead foot now. So vine 3, stamp up, vine. Yeah.
She's got 2 jobs. She's
Yeah.
getting to switch her weight on that stamp up so that she has the right foot free.
Okay,
Okay, so
now I got it.
okay, so we're gonna vine stamp left and right. This is a new level, so it's logistics are different. Double step, double step, double step, and click. Double step, double step, double step, click up. It's side, behind, side and up. Side, behind, side and up. Side, behind, side and up. Stop. Now I want you to work on something though. With your vines, you actually go behind, not this. So with your left foot, I want to see your vine stamp up. It's 1 behind, now to the right. Left and right.
And again, you can roll with that a little bit. That makes you okay. Roll your shoulders. There you go.
Yeah, it's going back to that clog over vine thing.
Start moving the whole body, yes.
Yeah, it makes it look better, even though.
And it's relaxing, because it makes your hips not be as tight.
And get your basket in order.
Now we're all straight. Okay, we're going to go through it once and give you a break. Just a mental break. Or break you, whichever. 12 beats. Rocking chair box. Rocking chair, corner left. Make a box. Vine stamp, left to right. High horse. Step, pause, and step. Fancy double. Clear basic. Side touches. Low toe heel. Side touch. Low toe heel. Step, step, pause. Rocking chair. High horse. There's that strange box. RUUTH basic. Heel step triple and take the row. RUUTH basic. Heel step triple. Do that. RUUTH basic. Heel step triple. Do the mirror. RUUTH basic. Heel step triple. Take the front. Vine stamp up. High horse. Step pause and step pause. Fancy double. Strong double, left and right. Two side touch. Low toe heel. Side touches. Low toe heel. Step, step, pause. Fancy double. Rocking chair.